In our last video, we talked about the first two laws of indices, the multiplication law and the division law. In this video, we are going to talk about the next two laws of indices, which is the zero indices and the negative indices. In the zero indices, I'm sure that everybody knows that any number raised to power of 0 is 1. But how did they arrive at this conclusion? Let's imagine that there is a number like this. Imagine a raised to power x divided by a raised to power x. If we are to use the normal way, this would be 1, right? And if we are to use the division law of indices, this would be ax minus x, which is what? A raised to power 0. Now, using this method and using this method, now we can say that a raised to power 0 is what? 1. And that is how they got the zero indices law. We are going to be using this law further ahead in this study. Whenever we get to logarithms, you understand why any number raised to power 0 is 1. Now we have the negative indices. Remember, we just finished talking about this a raised to power 0 is what? 1. Imagine there's a number like this, right? A raised to power 0 divided by a raised to power x. From our previous knowledge, we know that a raised to power 0 is 1. So we replace it with 1 divided by a raised to power x. Right? We can rewrite it as 1 over a raised to power x. Now, if we are to write this in indices, it means what? A raised to power minus x. Now, look at these examples now. If we are to rewrite this using the negative indices law, we are going to be saying 1 over b squared. That is how we are writing. Now, look at this one too. If we are to rewrite it using the negative indices law, we have 1 over 2 raised to power 3. So this negative sign just makes it a fraction. You just 1 over the base of that number and the index without the negative sign once you write it like this. Moving along down the line, we are going to see how these laws can be used in complicated mathematical manipulations. Thank you for watching today's video.